Hello YouTubers, I did not know if I put this video on YouTube yet about my my working spoon and fork I already got a long time ago if you didn't know that. I put a belt roll on the clock for 180 games. Now, and if I didn't show you, the red strawberry that I had opened a long time ago when I got from Dr. Jackson's office in Aptos, Dr. Allison Jackson. Her name's Allison Jackson, but you can, when you go there, you call her Dr. Jackson. Then my princess erasers, got Ariel, Snow White, right there, Belle, Sleeping Beauty, and Cinderella. Just to let you know, I'm going to touch one, but on my computer I'm a different name. So, but I haven't made an account yet on the computer. So, bye guys.